Just come to share with you 2 traveller's notebooks that I've made, and I've made them using some digital kits and ephemera from Tsunami Rose, and I will link Tsunami Rose below. So they're in like a vintage advertising theme with vintage ephemera, like I said, all from Tsunami Rose, and they both have, I wrote it down, they both have 76 pages front and back, and they have this black spine. The organza ribbon is just not attached, so if you wanted to put this into your Midori cover or your Fudori cover, you can do. These will both be listed in my shop. If you would like the organza ribbon to be attached with eyelets, if you purchase it, if you leave me a note when you make the purchase, I will put the eyelets in and add the ribbon, but if not, then they will come as they are. So we'll start with this one. Now, Traveller's Notebook in a regular size is 8 1/4 by 4 1/2, and you can have as many pages in them as you like, but like I stated, these have 76. Oops, that's the back of that, and I've stitched this paper, which is from Tsunami Rose. I've stitched that onto 2 layers of cardstock, so it's nice and durable, nice and thick. So let's go inside. Let me check that I'm in frame. So we have a pocket, a double pocket here with a large tag. Now, the digital paper, someone had asked me, I think it was yesterday or the day before, and I have answered them, but they said, how do you get your digital paper to look like this on the back? Because obviously it's white on the back. Now, I've got like a jar full of coffee water, and it's got some micro powders in it, so this one's got a shine to it, and I just brush it on the back and either let it air dry or use my heat tool to dry it quickly, and it only takes a few seconds really to dry it. It's because it's not sogging wet, so that's how I get that effect. So the tag is there. Using up my scraps to make these pockets, and I've just stitched them. They're not actually stitched onto the page, but just stitched to give, you know, a different look to it. This is actually a freebie, and it's from Nik The Booksmith, and it's on her Flickr account. So if you search Nik The Booksmith and Flickr, you should find it, but she does have it linked in some of her videos, not all of her videos, but some of her videos. She's got some nice freebies on there for you to use, so thank you for that. Some ephemera here, and that goes into the bottom pocket, and some more ephemera. And the words that I've used in these are freebies from Carol Tinson's Facebook group called The Crafty Emporium, and I will link that below. I have linked it in a couple of my other videos because people have been interested. So if you haven't already gone over and joined Carol's group, she runs challenges and swaps, and she has a pop-up shop every now and again. I think it's maybe once a month where she sells stuff as well, so go and check that out. Word Dreams. This is from a Pitman's shorthand book, and this is just some ephemera paper clipped onto some music paper. Some more ephemera from Tsunami Rose. Love this one, love the eyes. In fact, I might leave, no, I'll put it that way. It's a bit creepy, and you open it up and you've just got 2 eyes looking at you. Pocket here, so obviously I've done some stitching to secure the pockets closed, and we have some ephemera, so if you can write on all the ephemera on the back. You could even collage or put some photographs on the front, and some more ephemera, some dictionary page, some more lined paper, the word imagine. This is some more of the Pitman's book, and a little piece of ephemera here. And here we have some ephemera and a little tag. squared paper bag here. The other side of the paper bag. Again, we have another one of these freebies from Nik The Booksmith, and some more ephemera. Now this would be nice printed out onto some cream paper or cardstock, light cardstock, but I don't have any, so I'm hopefully going out shopping tomorrow, so I might pick up some cream lightweight cardstock to do that. So the other side of the Pitmans says create. The dictionary page. Oops, we have a pocket here and I forgot to put something in it, but I do have lots of little bits here, so I'm just going to pop something in now. I thought I had actually done that, but been a little bit distracted tonight, chatting with my admin team, having some giggles, so they're a really bad distraction. I'm going to fold that and pop that in there as well. So we have should have showed you that all completely. That, and there's an eye on there as well, and then this one here. And there we go. A double pocket here, and we have a tag, handmade tag, some ephemera, and this piece of ephemera. Now, Tsunami Rose I've been asked before as well, which ephemera kits. I have got so many different ephemera kits, and it's not all from the one, so you'd have to do a good search to see what you actually want. And there is lots and lots of ephemera kits in Daisy's shop, so there is lots to choose from, and you can get yourself a nice large collection of vintage ephemera if you go over to her shop and check it all out. Another pocket here, the word hope. Some more ephemera, and hasn't gone in properly, and that is that one. So I'll set that to one side and then I'll show you this one. So this is the paper from the kit that I've used for the cover. Again, it's got the black tape down here. The black, it's like is it gaffer tape? So it's really strong. Here we have a pocket. We have a large tag. A postcard. Some more ephemera. The word hope. Dictionary page. Some lined paper. Lots of places to journal. Some more of that Pitman paper. Another postcard just paper clipped on there. And some ephemera. It's a postcard. And a tag. Another double pocket. And the word imagine. So we have a little... This, I accidentally printed this out onto just normal copy paper. Because I had been doing some postage and I'd switched my paper over and forgot to put in my matte photo paper, which is what I use to print my digital kits on. So anyway, I'd remembered something that Crafty Irina had shown us quite a few years ago, and that was, if you print out on normal copy paper, use some gesso, just some white paint, like white acrylic paint, and paint the back of it, so it then makes it quite sturdy. So if you make that mistake again, the only thing is you can see through it, like you can see through there, but you can still write on it, and it just thickens it up a little bit. So I thought that was a handy tip, and it's amazing what you remember when you have to. Some ephemera. Another one of these. What are they? There. Oh, deposit slips. Oh, I remember. See, not many people here in the UK use deposit slips and things like that now, because we can all just put our money and cheques into the machine by putting our cards in. So things like that we don't get anymore. It's a real shame, because I would love to get it. Maybe you've got to ask for them over the counter, I haven't got a clue. But yeah, we don't have them anymore. But I do remember years ago going into the bank and having to fill out a slip to put your money in, how much it was, and then it got stamped and they gave you it as a receipt. Now it's all electronic. Some more ephemera. And oh, this was something else that I'd printed out onto normal copy paper. This feels amazing now. It feels much thicker than my photo mat paper. So yeah, I've done that too. And I use my own, make my own gesso, not gesso, yeah, gesso. Make my own gesso, and it has some like baby powder in it, like non-scented, but there is a slight smell to it. It's not bland, and you can smell it, so it's really nice. Oops. So we have this ephemera. Should I put that there? Oops, sorry, I just wobbled the camera and I missed that completely. I'm trying to stretch around. We have a paper bag, and then there is that ephemera inside there. It doesn't want to go in. There we go. Centre of the signature. We have another piece of ephemera inside there. We have a tag and some more ephemera. Oops, and another piece of ephemera onto the music paper, the Pitman's paper, the word dream. Another pocket with some ephemera. Whoopsie, some more ephemera here. And another like ephemera piece here, which is more like a journal card. The word create, some lined paper, some dictionary, and here is some more ephemera, another one of those envelopes that's been gessoed. You can put things inside there. A double pocket here, it says remember. These two pieces again were what I've gessoed on the back, but like I said, you can still write on them. So that's that. Postcard and a large tag. Double pocket. And that is that. So that is both the journals. Like I said, I'll put the links below. These will be listed in my shop if you're interested. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.